Hi friends, our next chapter is fractions. What is fractions? You have learned about fractions in your lower classes. Do you remember that? Fractions means part of a whole. Example, this is a circle. Okay, it is divided into two equal parts. Clear? Each part represents the fraction 1 by 2. We already learned that. Huh? Clear? Each part, this shaded part represents the fraction 1 by 2. This 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. Clear? Okay. Different types of fractions. First one, proper fraction. Proper fraction. What is proper fraction? If the numerator is less than the denominator, such type of fractions are called proper fraction. For example, 2 by 4. Here, the numerator is less than the denominator. This is a proper fraction. Another examples, 1 by 5, 3 by 6, etc. are the examples of proper fraction. Next type of fraction is improper fraction. Improper fraction means improper fraction. What is improper fraction? If the numerator is greater than the denominator, such kind of fractions are called improper fraction. For example, 9 by 3, 6 by 5, 3 by 2, etc. are the examples of improper fraction. Clear? Next is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Some fractions have a whole number part and a fractional part. Such kind of fractions are called mixed fraction. For example, 4, 2 by 3 and 5, 4 by 5, etc. are the examples of mixed fraction. Here, one whole number part and a fractional part. Here also 5 is a whole number part and 4 by 5 is a fractional part. This type of fractions are called mixed fractions. All mixed fractions we can convert into improper fraction. How do we do that? We already studied in our 4th standard. To convert this mixed fraction for 2 by 3 into improper fraction, we have to multiply the whole number part and the denominator and add 2, then write the same denominator 3. That means 4 into 3 plus 2 by 3. That means 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 by 3. This is an improper fraction. 14 by 3 is an improper fraction. And how do we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction? 5 into 5 plus 4 by 4, which is equals by 5. Here 5 is the denominator. By 5. Okay. 5 into 5 equals 25. 25 plus 4, 29, which is equals 29 by 5. Okay. Next, conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. This 9 by 2. Here, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So, this is an improper fraction. How do we convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction? We can divide this. 9 divided by 2. 4 2s are 8. Then subtract. Remainder is 1. So, 9 by 2 is equals 4. 1 by 2. This is the mixed fraction corresponding to the improper fraction 9 by 2. Clear? This is the conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Clear? Next, 21 divided by 4. Here 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Remainder 1. So we can write 21 by 4 is equals 5 1 by 4. This is the mixed number or mixed fraction corresponding to the improper fraction 21 by 4. Clear? Next type of fraction is unit fraction. Fractions with the numerator is 1. Such kind of fractions are called unit fraction. For example, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 2, 1 by 5, etc. are examples of unit fractions. All unit fractions are proper fractions also. Why? Its numerator is less than the denominator. So, all unit fractions are proper fractions also. Clear? Next is equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fractions? Here, this is a circle. Okay? It is divided into two equal parts. Clear? This shaded portion represents the fraction 1 by 2. Clear? Then again I divided the same circle into 4 equal parts. Clear? The shaded portions represent the fraction 2 by 4. 2 parts out of 4. Clear? Again I am divided this circle into 8 equal parts. Clear? Here the shaded portions represents 4 parts out of 8. Okay? Actually this 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 and 4 by 8 represent the same portions, no? All fractions are equal. Here all fractions are equal. So these type of fractions are called equivalent fractions. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8. These type of fractions are called equivalent fractions. Listen, to find the equivalent fractions of 1 by 2. How do we find the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2? We can multiply. We can multiply both sides by the same number. That means 1 into 2 by 2 into 2, which is equals 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. And another equivalent fraction which is equals 3 by 6. Then next is 1 by 2 into 4 by 4, which is equals 4 by 8. In this way, we can find the equivalent fraction of any number. Any fraction, not number, any fraction. Here, to find the equivalent fraction of 4 by 8, we can multiply or divide. Here 4 and 8 are even numbers. We can divide both sides by 2, which is equals 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is an equivalent fraction of 4 by 8. In this way also we can find the equivalent fraction. How do we find the equivalent fraction of a given fraction? We can multiply or divide both sides by the same number. Clear? Write 3 equivalent fractions of 3 by 7. 3 by 7. 3 is a prime number and 7 is also a prime number. Here there is no common factor, so we cannot divide both sides by same number. But we can multiply both sides by 2. 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. 6 by 14 is an equivalent fraction of 3 by 7. How do we find next? 3 by 7 into 3 by 3, which is equals 9 by 21, is an equivalent fraction of 3 by 7. Next, 3 by 7 into 4 by 4, which is equals 3 2s are 12, 7 4s are 28. 12 by 28 is also an equivalent fraction of 3 by 7. So we can write here 3 by 7 is equal to 6 by 14 is equal to 9 by 21 is equal to 12 by 28. Clear? Listen children. Next is check if the following fractions are equivalent. How do we find the given two fractions are equivalent or not? Listen, this already we discussed in 4th standard. First one is 3 by 5 and 7 by 9. First cross multiply. 3 by 9 and 7 by 3 by 5 and 7 by 9. 7 by 9. Cross multiply like this. 5 into 7 equals 35. And 3 into 9 equals 27. They are not equal. Therefore, we can say that they are not equivalent. They are not equivalent. They are not equivalent fraction. Next, 2 by 9 and 6 by 27. Cross multiply. 9 and 6 are 54. And 2 into 27. 27 into 2. 7 2s are 14, 1 carry over, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 54. 54 is equal to 54. So, we can say that they are equivalent. They are equivalent. They are equivalent fractions. Okay.